if you want to understand what really God is, you have to add some other aspect than just the fact that he is the creator. Because there is something else than creation. There is revelation. There is prophethood. God is the one who reveals, who sends prophets. And that is even more important than the fact that God creates. Which means that you have to look at God not only from an ontological point of view, existence, saying there is no other existing being than God, as we have done until now. You have also to take into consideration prophethood. You can't speak properly of the divinity of God if you do not say that God is indeed the creator, but after this creation business, there is an after-creation service, which is revelation. God, by sending prophets, accompanies his creatures. And that's a different dimension than just ontology. It's religion. It's prophethood. It's ethics. And so, in relation to the Lordship of God, in relation to the fact that God is a Lord, we are all abd. We are all servants. Abd. Abdullah, Abdurrahman, Abdul Hakim, Abdul Wajood. We are all servants, we are slaves. All creatures in relation to the Creator are nothing but slaves, reduced to servitude by God, because he is their Lord. And abd, the word abd, can be understood in Arabic as a passive participle of the second form, mu'abbad, reduced to servitude. And give me an example of creature being this table, a tree, a bird, anything that would not be created, i.e., that would not be submitted to the Lordship of God. If you find one, I'm interested. But that's just the haqiqa khalqiyya. It's the created nature of things. It is their ontological reality. We are all, we like it or not, we are all created. We are all servants of God from this point of view. But that's not enough to justify us in the eyes of God. By saying that I'm created, I have not spoken yet about evil or goodness. Evil and goodness will only appear through the divinity of God, which is the source of revelation and of prophethood, which is added value to the createdness of things. It is only when you start looking at things from the point of view of revelation and prophethood that you can indeed start introducing in this creation distinctions between good and evil, between believer and unbeliever, between pagan and monotheist. That was not the case when you were just looking at the Lordship of God. So, somehow, for Muslims, creation is nothing but an opportunity for revelation. Creation is not self-sufficient. مَا خَلَقْتَ هَذَا بَاطِلًا, says the Quran. You did not create this in vain. Yes, because God is not just the creator, he is also the one who sends prophets. Which means that from an Islamic point of view, our monotheism is not the absolute monotheism that I have been speaking about until earlier on. It is a monotheism moderated by prophethood. That's why it's not to become a Muslim, it's not enough to say there is no God but God. You have also to say, and I bear witness that Muhammad is the messenger of God. Because messengership, Nabowat, is as important as Tawheed, proclaiming that there is no God but God. And so the haqiqa diniyah, the religious reality, or the haqiqa amriyah, the reality attached to the fact that God gives commands and prohibitions, is more important, in fact, than the haqiqa khalqiyya, the ontological reality, or the created reality.